Hello YouTube, Copper King Recycling, and today on the table I have a water purifier. I'm pretty sure it is. And we're going to go ahead and just find out what's in here. Let's just make this part easy. That is, I might be able to use that for one of my projects. Let's see here. Probably just a filter. I know there's water in there. I can hear it. So let's go ahead and take this apart. It's got some nice stainless steel. We'll see what's inside. It's an old one. Wow, what the heck? I want this to come off all the way. I want this. Like that. Ah, now I see. Okay, we're going to save this piece. Uh-huh. Then you just keep pulling on it. Wow, this one has been around for a while. There we go. Oops, I need that. Wow, this is cool. What? Oh. It's this part. This is stainless steel right here, but this part inside is a little bit metal. Oh. Cool. Check that out later. Let's see here. Oh, there we go. Well, that was easier than I thought. Guessing this comes out of here. The fact that I can make it move. It's just this piece of metal there I'll have to take off. This is all just plastic. That's a gasket. Yeah, I'll take that metal off and recycle it. No waste. Oh, there's all the water. Let's see here. I don't see how this comes apart. Let's just figure it out. Can't figure it out, break it. Ooh. Looks like some copper in there. Alrighty. How does this come apart? Oh, that smells great. I'm going to guess that they had this for a while before they ever threw it out. What the heck? Yep, I know how to fix this. Dirty. Electronics in there. It is a little circuit board in there. Look at that. Well, look at there. That is brass. Cool. Okay. Continue with the construction of this piece. Really? There we go. That was easy. Not really. Copper piece here. It will get you off. Don't poke yourself, sir. Okay. Oh, wait. Did I poke myself? A little bit. There we go. There we go. Yeah. That is a nice little piece of copper. Oh, yes, it is. Cool. Now, how the heck do I get this off? Without poking myself again. Oh. You do it like that. And you pour this water out. Something like this. I'll probably be spilling that everywhere later. For now, this spins. Let's see how it comes out. Assuming, oh wait, I didn't see that piece. I have the right tool for this. I'm gonna cheat. ¿Dónde está el cuchillo? See if I can do this without hurting myself. Yep, sure can. That is recyclable. Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah, that doesn't help. What the heck? Yeah, I don't know about this one. Okay, if I could do that part. What in the world? Yay. Now let's just try something here. Gently tap this. See if that works. Oh, look at that. It came right off. Just need a little gentle persuasion. Wow, I don't know how they get those apart in the real world. But that's how I do it. So that's why I wanted this. A little bit of stainless steel here. A little bit of brass. A little bit of copper. But then, stainless steel. Yeah, that's a little weird. And then this big piece of stainless steel. That is cool. That's a big heavy chunk. It's another chunk. And that is a water filter. Old school. Glad to be done with this one. It kind of smells. So I'm going to clean this mess up and go on to the next project. Copper King out.